Hello everyone, welcome back to Teardown with another water test. Once again, Samsung Galaxy A series with Galaxy A51, the successor of Galaxy A50. There is no official statement from Samsung regarding the waterproofing level. Regardless, today we are going to eyewitness on the waterproofing level on Samsung Galaxy A51. When unboxed, you get a headset, a charging adapter and a cable. In terms of the design, Galaxy A51 is identical to A50, except for some hardware changes. Built with Exynos 9610 processor with Mali G72 GPU. The A51 comes in 4 brilliant body colors with Super AMOLED screen. When it comes to the camera, Galaxy A51 is way ahead than A50. It comes with 4 rear cameras built with 48 megapixel main and 32 megapixel front camera lenses. Let's begin the waterproofing test. This includes water dropping, pouring, showering and submerging, followed by a splash effect with the water. As you can see, once the water starts pouring, it creates its own screen responses. But it seems the functionalities are still intact. It is notable that the phone screen comes in Gorilla Glass 3 with optical coating, which in a way distracts water from the screen. Nevertheless, it doesn't isolate the water and there are some water droplets on the screen. Even with droplets, you can see the screen and the camera functions as per standards. Let's keep testing. It looks like the phone touch is not responding. Let's keep trying. Okay, let's wipe it off and keep trying. Okay, see if the camera button works, but the touch is not responding. Since there is no response, what we can do is to leave the phone for a couple of hours to try it out. Okay, after 2 hours, the phone touch has started to respond. That's not bad at all. Well, we can start to test again. And next, we can dip the phone into a small tank and leave it for 5 minutes. Let's start it by filling with the water. As you can see, as soon as the water nears the screen, it starts creating its own responses. Again, it looks like the touch is not responding. Let's keep trying. Yeah, still not responding. Oops. Looks like it got crashed. It is not working at all. Now even the buttons are not working. Well, that sounds not so good. After the teardown and board cleanup, the phone has booted again. Well, it is a good sign, but let's check some key working points. Let's plug the charging adapter. Looks like there are no issues. It detects the cable and charging as well. Even the LCD display looks good. No visible water damage. The touchscreen is working fine on the left hand side, but the edge on the right hand side is not working. Yes, it is confirmed it is not responding at all. Well, that is not a good sign. Okay, and the rear camera is working fine. Now we can insert a SIM card to check whether the calling is working or not.
Hello?
Hello? Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, okay. Okay, bye.
Looks like it connects and the call quality looks good too. Even the speaker sound hasn't changed. Well, yeah, finally we can say that the waterproofing level on A51 is not that great. Seems a little bit of water may damage the phone very easily. Anyway, this is a mid-range phone from Samsung and we think it should have more protection from the water. Let us know what you think. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. See you all soon. Thank you.